Let's go through the ingredients for this recipe. Here I have ghee, also known as clarified butter. Then I have half a cup of quinoa, and then 1/4 cup of jaggery powder, a handful of raisins and cashews, and some cardamom pods. Let's wash the quinoa in running water for 3 to 4 times. In a wok, take 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now let's add the washed quinoa. Saute it for a couple of minutes on medium heat. Here I'm adding half a pint of water. Now let this cook on high heat for 15 minutes. Here we can see that the quinoa is cooked. Now let's add the jaggery powder to it. Mix it. Quinoa originates from South America and is basically a seed. It is also gluten-free. It is high in protein and fiber and is a plant source of amino acids. It protects from chronic illnesses and is good for weight loss. Let's talk about protein intake. A young female adult should take 45 grams of protein per day and a male should take 55.5 grams. Coming back to the recipe, pound some cashews. Now this entirely depends on you how much you want to add. Adding the pounded cashews here, and then some raisins as well. Mix everything. Pound a few cardamom pods, I would say 5 to 6. And add it to the pudding. Mix everything well. Here you can see the luscious texture of the quinoa. Now, 100 grams of it contains 120 kilocalories, 4.4 grams of protein and 2.8 grams of fiber. Finally, a funny but practical way of eating less dessert is by using small bowls and making sure that you eat it after your meal. For more such videos, please like, share and definitely subscribe. Thank you for watching.